Yes, good evening children. Beta, see that few revision questions again. Find the semi perimeter of triangle of side 8.5 centimeter. Okay, what is the length of the side? 8.5. You know that suppose this is a triangle, then its each side is given to 8.5. Okay, you know that the perimeter of triangle is equal to perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides or sum of all sides. Okay, or whether you can do by this method also, because it is a equilateral triangle, so its perimeter will be 3 into side. So it will be 8.5 plus 8.5 plus 8.5. okay, semi perimeter. Okay, it will be 25.5 centimeter. Now you have, it is perimeter, and what you have to find in this question? Semi perimeter. Okay, so how you will find semi perimeter? See that now beta, perimeter will be 8.5 plus 8.5 plus 8.5, it means 25.5. so you have to find semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means perimeter divided, semi means beta half, perimeter divided by 2. So whatever value is coming divided by 2, then whatever the answer will come, that will be your result. Okay, see that now. Next question, 14 upon 8 into 64 upon 17 divided by 2 1 upon 34. So what it will be? See that how we will do. This is multiplication. So 14 upon 8 into 64 upon 17. It means it can be written that 14 into 64 divided by 8 into 17. Okay. Now try to 8 8 ja beta 64. है ना? Now further cancellation is not possible. So it will become 14 into 8 in bracket or divided by 17. Put it bracket. We have simplified. Divide means this sign, 34 to ja 68 or 1 69. Okay. 69 upon 34. We have written means improper fraction. Now because here division sign is there, so what you will do? Put multiplication sign, 34 upon, reverse it, 69, and here 14 into 8 and here 17. This will remain as same. So 17 to ja 34. Okay. Now it will not be, further it cannot be cancelled. So what it will become beta? 14 into 8 to ja 16 upon 69. So multiply it now. Beta, if you will multiply it, it will come to 24 upon 69. And if we will try to write in mixed fraction, it will come how much? 3. 17 will become as remainder or upon 69. Divide it and then write by the, as I taught you earlier, by which formula? Quotient, remainder will come at the top, numerator, and upon divisor by this one. Okay, so in this way you will get the answer. Now come to the next question. See that now one or two division question also, because here in division question also children are doing mistakes, so I am repeating it also. Divide 5 upon 6 by 25 upon 18. Which number you have to divide? 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6. Divide means make division side by 25 upon 18. So what you will do? Change this divide sign into and reverse the second fraction, means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become as numerator. So it will become 18 upon 25 and this will remain as same beta, 5 upon 6. Now 6, it will be as 5 into 18 upon 6 into 25. 6 3 ja 18, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So what it will? 3 1 ja 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 will be as your answer. Okay. And if multiplication will be there, suppose one question is there, suppose 5 upon multiply 5 upon 9 by 7 upon 6. This time what you have to do? Multiply. So how you will do beta? 5 upon 9, multiplication sign, 7 upon 6. In this way nothing will be done. Okay, what you will write? 5 into 7 upon 9 into 6. 5 7 ja 35 upon 9 9 6 ja 54. Okay, so here numerator is smaller and denominator is greater, so no, nothing can be done. So this will be in the is your answer. So in this way, they maybe everybody of you have understood the difference between the divide and multiply. In divide, what we were doing beta, we are reversing the second fraction. Okay, means numerator we are changing as denominator and denominator we are changing as numerator. And in multiply, nothing we are doing, only simply by the numerator we are multiplying numerator, and denominators number we are multiplying denominators. Now see that next question beta. If 10 is subtracted from thrice a number, from means after from whatever from that number you have to subtract, you will write that first. Thrice a number means thrice a number, what you have to subtract? Minus 10. Answer is 65. Okay, thrice a number beta, thrice means multiplied by 3. A number means beta x, we don't know, x, 3x minus 10 is equal to 65. Okay, now how you will do? See that 3x minus 10 is equal to 65. So 3x is equal to, take this minus 10 on the right hand side, it will become 65 plus 10. Its sign will be changed. So what it will become now? 3x is equal to beta 75. So x will be 75 upon 3. What it will be beta? 25. Now see that again, if we will change the, put the values here, thrice a number, what came result? 25. See that now. We are going to verify it. Thrice a number means a number that whatever number it was, it came 25. So 3 into 25. If you will subtract from it 10, what result should come? 65. See that now. 3 minus 25 beta 75 minus 10 is coming equal to 65 na. So it is correct. So in this way it has verified also. We don't need to verify, but for your satisfaction I am showing you that it means this answer is correct. Okay beta. Now see that 15% of 250. So how you will do beta this question? See that 15% mean beta 15 upon 100. Of means multiply 250. In this way you will do. Make them cancel 0 and 0. So but in numerator it will become beta 15 into 25 upon 10. Now multiply them. Okay. So what it will come? 5. See that now. So it is coming equal to beta 375 divided by 10. So here decimal will come, it will be 37.5. So in this way it will be your answer. Okay. Now see that next question. 5 upon 6 of 300. This time it is not percentage. So how you will do? 5 upon 6 of means beta multiply 300. So see that 6 5 ja 30 0. 5 0 0 5 5 ja 25. 250 will be as your answer. So in this way you will do these kind of problems. So this kind of questions can come in the smaller form. Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay. See that now beta next question. In a city 30% are male, 40% are female, and rest of them are children. What is the percentage of children? So how you will do this question beta? See that we are in percentage we are always considering that the population of a city or town or a country is always suppose 100%. So male are how much? 30%. Okay, female are how many? 40%. Okay, so total is how much? 70%. अब now see that total population of cities. Total population means male plus female plus children will become total 100% population of the city. Male plus female is given to you 70%. Okay, and plus children will become then 100%. So children will be beta 100% minus 70%. So children percent will be how much beta? 100 minus 70, 30%, and this will be your answer. So in this way you will, if the question like this comes, so you will do in this way. Now see that beta, some question I am again discussing from the algebra, equation based question, because you are having problem always in these kind of problem. See that one question, 3 minus 2 in bracket 2 minus y is equal to 7. You have to find the value of y. So how you will do this question? See that beta, 3 minus 2 2 ja beta 4, and minus into minus, if you will multiply them it will become plus, है ना? And it is plus into minus, it was minus, up 2 into y, okay, is equal to 7. So 3 minus 4, here two opposite sign numbers, subtract them, it will come 1, greater number having minus sign, so minus 1, a plus 2y is equal to beta 7. So 2y will remain here, it will become 7, and minus 1 will become plus 1. So 2y is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. So y is equal to 8 upon 2, y is equal to 4, and this will be your answer. Okay, now see that one more kind of question I am going to do. See that 5x plus 6 upon 3x plus 4 is equal to 9 upon 5. So find the value of x. So how you will do in this kind of question? See that beta, do the cross multiplication in this way. So 5 in bracket 5x plus 6 is equal to 9 in bracket 3x plus 4. Okay, now 5 into 5x up plus 5 into 6. In this way you will do multiplication. 9 into 3x up plus 9 into 4. Okay, see that now. अब see that beta, 5 5 ja 25x plus 5 6 ja 30 is equal to 9 3 ja 27x plus 9 4 ja 36. Okay, now collect the like terms together. Collect like terms together. No, you know like terms, algebraic in one side and numeric arithmetic in another side. So see that now, they are 30 and this plus 36 will become minus 36 because we bring it in the left side, is equal to 27x, and this 25x will go on another side, it will become minus 25x. 30 minus 36 will become beta minus 6 is equal to 27 minus 25 will be 2x. Okay, so minus 6 upon 2 is equal to beta x, 2 3 ja x, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, not x by mistake, and it will be x is equal to beta minus 3. So in this way you will do these kinds of problems. Okay, now see that how I have done. Just see from the video and repeat these kind of problems yourself. One simple question also I am doing from this pattern. It was little bit of different. Now I am taking simple question. X plus 5 upon x plus 9 is equal to 4 upon 8. Okay, so how you will do this kind of problem? See that beta, again do the cross multiplication. So 5, this is 8 na, 8 in bracket x plus 5, do in this way, is equal to 4 in bracket x plus 9. Now see that 8 into x plus 8 into 5 is equal to 4 into x plus 9 into 4. So 8x plus 8 5 ja 40 is equal to 4x plus 9 4 ja 36. So 8x minus, now see that 40 minus 36 is equal to 4x minus 8x. 40 minus 36 beta 4 is equal to, here also 4x minus 8x, see that 4 minus 8 na, to opposite side num subtract them. 8 minus 4 will be 4, greater number having what sign? Minus 4x. So 4 upon minus 4 is equal to beta x. So x is equal to minus 1. So in this way you will do these kind of problem. Okay, now see that beta, principal is given to you 2800, rate is 5% and interest is 280. You have to find what? Time. T is equal to what? So how you will do? Apply the formula. Okay, time you would like to get, so T is equal to beta I into 100 upon P into R. So T is equal to I is how much beta? 280 into 100 according to the formula upon P is 2800 into R 5%. So these two zeros will become cancelled. 28 will come by 5 2 are 10. So T is equal to beta 2 years. So in this way, some question you have to find T, some question you can, it may be find R or I. So do all kind of questions. Okay, because in the different patterns they can come. It is all not necessary that always it will come for calculating T or for calculating R. Okay, if you will do all kind of questions, you have to repeat them. Now see that term page and interest of rupees 7,000 for 2 years. This is page and interest. It means this 7,000 is interest beta. I is equal to 7,000. Now do this means what problems also. Okay, all the time it will not come in the form that the values will be returned for you. No, it can come in the word problems also. For 2 years, time is beta 2 years. On a sum of rupees, sum means beta always P is given to you 35,000. Okay, rate of interest, find the rate. R you have to find. So how will you will do? R is equal to beta I into 100 upon P into T. Okay, so see that now R is equal to I interest is 7,000 into 100 upon P 35,000 into T, time is 2 years. So 2 5 ja 10, here 50 it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3, 7 5 ja 35, 5 10 ja 50. R will be how much beta? 10%. So in this way the question can come in the both the formats. Okay, so enough for today beta. Revise your all the syllabus as we have repeated here. Okay, one by one all kind of questions, repeat them and do your complete revision. Have a good day to all of you.